Christmas is near and it's cold outside, so that means it's time for hot eggnog coffee. First, I'm going to start by making the eggnog cream. Now you need some pre-made eggnog, but I'm going to thicken it up with a little bit of mascarpone cheese. So, you want to use 1/4 cup of eggnog. Next, you add 1 tablespoon of mascarpone cheese. And before using the frother, I recommend that you mix it up here a little bit already to thin it out to get it started. And then you can use your trusty frother and thicken it up. You can either use drip coffee, instant coffee, or even a shot of espresso. But I'm going to be using this Mount Hagen Organic Instant Decaf coffee. And it's really good. And measurement-wise, it's best to do it this way. So, here's 1 teaspoon of the instant coffee, mixed with 1/4 cup hot water. Heat up 3/4 of a cup of milk. Add your warm milk to your coffee. And last, spoon your eggnog cream on top. It made 2 nice layers, and I love how the eggnog floats on top of the coffee. Let's try it. Amazing. It's like a dessert coffee. And one more thing, if you like this type of content, be sure to subscribe and hit that notifications bell so you don't miss any more. The injured one. You can see his right wing, part of it's hanging down, and you can't see from this view, but his right leg looks like it's been broken pretty badly. I'm not sure if it was hit by a car or been in a fight or fell or what. If I knew how to help it, I would, but I don't know if I could even do anything for the bird. Probably have to take its leg and straighten it out and wrap it so it would try to heal straight. And then with the wing, I don't know either. And then handling the bird, I don't know if that would be a good idea without any training. Since this is a scavenger bird, maybe it will eat some meat. So I'm going to put some great, what in the pool. Oh, it got scared. Yes, we did it. Hey beautiful people, our vulture is back, the injured one, and I've got some more food for it, so let's go feed it. The vulture, here's some food. Hopefully it'll let me. It's scared of me, I guess. Maybe I'll have to throw the food down. If I can throw it good this time. Oh, I scared it. It doesn't realize that I'm here to help it. I guess I gotta feed it a couple times. It looks like it's eating some where I threw it towards him. I put some on this rock. I wonder if it'll head in that direction towards the rock. All right. I'm at the Fear Festival, and there's some wrestling going on over there. Check it out. San Antonio Fear Festival 25. That's a creepy clown. A lot of ghosts are here. These are some awesome looking cars. These are some cool masks. Wow, this mask is $200. I guess this is some kind of fake pie. Killer clowns from outer space. Check it out, it's Predator.